Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the gears from the Parkzone PKZ 1081 servo that usually comes with the Messerschmitt, Corsair, and I would say all the foamies from Parkzone. Anyway, the process is very simple. I recently damaged one of the servos from the right aileron. They're very cheap. They're only $12 if you want to replace them. But if you have the time to fix them, here's how you do it. This is a new one, the replacement, and I'm fixing the one that I broke since I'm planning to put my flaps operational in my BF109. First thing you do is you take out these screws from the back of the servo in order to uncover the top and the bottom covers. This is the one that's damaged. I already unscrewed the screws that were there. Once you pull them out, you have to be very careful with all these electronic mechanisms in the back. And then you pull the front cover. As you can see, all your gears are very easy and very accessible. You can take them out just using a regular set of pliers. Now, if you look closely, this pin comes out like so, and that way you can take out the gears from the inside. Now, I don't know if it's possible for you guys to see how the teeth are all broken, and that's what's causing the failure. When the aileron seems to jump, and sometimes it could get stuck. But anyway, very simple process. You have to hold the bottom one here and pull the top one like so. This one, I just noticed that's also broken. Well, anyway, you pull this out, and it's just a matter of installing the new gears, which I just got from my local hobby store. Very cheap, $2.49. You can also get the metal gears, which I purchased. They're somewhere around here. There they are. They're a little bit more expensive, $5.99, but hey, you gain a vote of confidence by using these metal gears in your servos. After you're done with that, you put your new gears in place. You have to lubricate them with a light lubricant, and it's just a matter of putting your servo together, and then you're just ready to fly. Well, I hope this has helped you, and well, you're able to save a little bit of money here. Good luck.